Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Imani, yet back with another video. And yes, I just took up the camera and I was like, I have to speak about it. Like, I have to. So, today I want to tell you guys about how important it is for having your own space, having your own boundaries, and how does it matter when somebody intervenes your personal space, be it somebody who is very close to you. Important, like, I thought to bring this on the table because it means so much to me, and I just feel like every one of you have a frame. It does not make that much sense, but when you see it closely, you will see that at some point of time you don't want people coming into your space. Like, say example, uh, last time I had gone to a party where I had like my own friends. They were all my own friends, but yes, some of them did drink, some of them they don't drink. But out there, when I had gone, everybody was you know occasional drinker, or some like they take it frequently. And yeah, they had asked me like, please, it's an occasion, so you should try out. Why not? So I said like, no, I won't take it. If you don't want it, okay, if you are completely, telling them that you don't take it, and now that's called breaching. They know that you don't take, and though they have convinced you multiple times to take, but you are not taking. I think that's the main point they should understand. Okay, that's her boundary. That's called crossing the boundaries. So everyone, say every human being have their own boundaries and own frame, where they don't want externalities to come inside and you know tell them that, force them, kind of thing. So here what I mean to say that no matter how much, no matter how insanely you're mad in love with the person who is trying to breach your boundary, but breaching boundary is breaching boundary. So I just wanted to put down that. And talking about next thing, today I'm here not only to give you guys gan about that, but here I am to today, like, it's been so long that I've tried out an Indian outfit, and I thought, why not today? And my house help, she's so cute, she's like, please do something, why do you always sit on the computer and do this, that? I was like, bro, if you have a business, you have to slog, or else there is no way out from that, right? There's always working hard, you know working hard word in the business line, and if you don't do that, it's not going to sustain. So even though you're getting a zero sale, you still have to sit, you still have to work it out. So yeah, I was telling her this, and it felt very, she's very understanding. She's like one in a million kind of house help that we have got so far. And she's educated enough. Also, I'm teaching her a lot of things now. She knows English, and yeah, so it really feels good. Yeah, so I'll show you guys the outfit that I'm wearing today. Oh, it's an Indian wear. It's a lehenga, and I'm gonna try it out. So yeah, also I'm gonna do photo shoot. I don't know, I'm very confused whether it's gonna be a good shoot, because the weather is very gloomy, it's going to rain. But can't help out, right? Once you set your mind to do something, you should do it and get over it, no matter how bad it is, because it's always said to be done is better than to have it all perfect, all arranged in a place. So just get it done. So I'm gonna do that just to make myself happy this Sunday. Okay, So I've done all my makeup. I don't know, I'm very bad at doing makeup, so my eyebrows are invisible. So if you guys can suggest me something to do it with my eyebrow, you know, I know people using, you know, all the artificial thing. I want the link, like if you are seeing my video and if you know any product that I should have it, because hair fall तो यहाँ हो रहा है, यहाँ से भी हो रहा है, तो let me know what to use it out here because I really don't know. So my makeup is done. So yeah, that's that. And for the last step, I do this sprinkling. It's not a makeup fixer. It just, I don't know, how do I show this? It's one go-to product. Like even when you apply any moisturizer, sunscreen, and there's very much, you know, heat outside, and you kind of want to like let it stay and always stay hydrated without applying the moisturizer, you can always have this in your purse. So anytime you feel like your skin is running out, you just do this and let it dry. So let's go. Should I do a transition? Yeah. Guys, I'm so excited. I don't know how it's gonna come out, but let's hope for the best because I want to do this. Okay, and I'm going to take out a very good video, so stay tuned, and I'm going to edit it myself. So yeah, again, stay tuned for that. Wow, guys, shoot के बीच में हम लोग खा रहे हैं French fry, homemade.
Homemade.
It was so exhausting, guys. You can see. It was nice. I liked it. Bye bye. See you guys. Thanks for watching.